Hey guys, so today I am showing you how I created this makeup look that is on my face, and there's nothing else to say other than I made a new Instagram account just for my makeup looks, and it's Sara MUA. So please go follow me on there if you just want makeup content. Without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let me be real, I honestly have no clue what makeup look I want to do. There's a part of me that wants to do a get ready with me, but another part wants me to like be creative and do a get ready with me tomorrow because I'm going to the movies later on, so I might as well do a crazy look while I'm here because I'm not going anywhere after this. And yeah, I know they get less views, but I honestly don't care. I just really wanted to be like in a creative mood. And just to make this interesting, I feel like doing a full face of products that I don't really use. Not necessarily because they're bad, but just because I don't use them and I buy it with my own money, so I want to use them up. Let's get into it. Honestly, a product that I don't really go into anymore, which is weird because it's all I would use back when I started my tutorials, are my single shadows. I like don't use them at all anymore, and it's kind of sad because they were pretty expensive and I don't use them anymore. So I'm gonna try to use those. The first shade that I'm gonna be picking up is this shade from Makeup Geek. This is in the shade Desert Sands, and I've actually never used this shade. And when I bought it, I was like so excited to use it because it's actually so pretty. But what I'm doing is taking that all over my crease. So the next shade I'm picking up is the shade Frappe from Makeup Geek as well. There's actually really good shadows. I don't know why I stopped using them. And this is just gonna go more into the actual crease, but not going up as high as the previous shade. And I'm always going back into the first shade just to blend everything out. The last shade for a crease I'm going in with is Sienna from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's kind of the same concept, you kind of get it. It's kind of repetitive, but just really building this into the crease. I am taking all of this off. I feel like the shades, they're like getting dark in weird spots and it's really giving me anxiety. So I'm gonna restart because so far this tutorial isn't going well, but we're gonna roll with it. Okay, so I'm back. I just repeated the same steps except without using the middle shade, which was the Frappe shade by Makeup Geek. I feel like it looks a lot better now. I really blended it out. This is from Star Crush Minnows in the shade Indigo Essence. It's like an electric blue color. Oh yeah, I think that'll look really good. So what I'm gonna do with that is, I don't know actually. I don't know if I should pack this on my lid without concealer. I'm actually gonna put concealer underneath just to be safe because sometimes it'll just turn gray and ugly and I don't wanna experience that. So even if it's just a little bit, I'm putting down like a base. I'm not being very precise. This isn't like a cut crease or a half cut crease or anything of the sort. So this might go really wrong. I don't know guys, I'm scared, but I'm taking that on like a tiny brush like this and I'm going to, ooh, the pigment. I'm obsessed with this and it's not even blended. Okay, anyways, now I'm going to go in with a brush and blend the edges out. Okay, so I'm doubting whether or not I should keep this eye look matte or go in with another Star Crush Mineral shadow. It's a blue shade, but it's like shiny and it's really calling my name. So I think I'm gonna do it. I'm picking it up on the same brush, only that I'm gonna spray it with the Mario Badescu rose water, and hopefully this doesn't ruin it. I'm just taking off the fallout. So now what I'm gonna do is take the Makeup Forever ink liner. I never use this, just not because I don't like it, but again, I just barely do liquid liner. And I'm going to line my lash line. I'm not too impressed with the shimmery shadow though. Like I feel like it's coming off and I'm not happy about that. Now that this eye is complete, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put on some falsies, mascara, and do this other eye. Okay, you guys, so I'm finally back. It was a long time. I redid this eye for the second time because I didn't like the shimmers and I kind of wanted to go for an all matte look and I am so obsessed with it. So we're gonna prime first, and I don't know if I want to prime actually because I'm not going anywhere after this. So I'm probably just gonna put some moisturizer on. I'm taking the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Just taking a little bit, not too much. Okay, so a foundation I haven't used in a while is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, surprisingly, but it's been literally I think like 3 months since I've used this, and you guys know I actually like this foundation a lot, so I'm using it today again. Lately I've been into not applying too much foundation. I always start off with a very small amount and usually just stay there unless I'm having a very bad skin day. So I feel like that foundation matches me really nicely, which I'm excited because it's been a while since I've gotten a good match. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind. I don't use this anymore, and this is actually like one of the products that it's just because I'm not that into it anymore. I just really like the Maybelline Fit Me, the ColourPop concealer, and the Shape Tape. I think those are the best. This isn't a bad concealer because obviously it was one of my favorite ones before. I just have grown out of it. I feel like my yellow hoodie really complements the eyeshadow. So now that we're all nice and concealed, let's move on to powder. And for powder, honestly a powder that I never ever use anymore is the Laura Mercier powder, and obviously not because it's a bad powder, but just because I like to use it for my clients. But I'm gonna indulge today and use it for myself because I miss it. I'm just baking underneath my eyes and just normally setting the rest of my face. So for bronzer, I'm going in with my Kat Foundation and Light palette. It's been ages since I've gone into this, obviously the middle shade. And I'm just gonna bronze up and contour my face. So for highlight, I'm using the Star Crushed Minerals highlight in the shade Honeysuckle. And yeah, I've never used this highlighter on my face, so I'm excited to see how it looks. What you doing? Other girls staring in your room, who you fooling? Close the door, all these little girls are bored. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna be picking up the 2 shades I used in my crease, so Tuscan Sun and Sienna. So I'm first starting with the shade Tuscan Sun and taking like a small crease brush and running that along my lower lash line just to add like a base color. And then we're gonna darken it up with the shade Sienna. Scratch that. I'm only gonna be using Tuscan Sun because you guys know I don't like my lower lash line to be too dark. So for lips, I'm using a cool tone liquid lip in the shade Chi by ColourPop. This is like a gray mauve color. So that concludes this makeup look. Hope you guys like this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Love you. Yeah.